In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list on monday.com in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and transform your task management into a streamlined automated experience. First things first, head on over to monday.com. If you're not already logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click the login button. If it's your first time signing in, you'll be prompted to log in using Google or with an email associated with your Monday account. If you've signed in before, you'll automatically be directed to your Monday workspace. Now let's start by creating a new board. Simply click on Add and then select New Board. Give your board a name that makes sense for your needs, perhaps something straightforward like To-Do List. A clear title will help you and your team instantly understand the board's purpose whenever you access it. Next, it's time to add some columns to your board. These columns will help in organizing your tasks efficiently. You might want to include columns like Task, Status, Due Date, say, and Assignee. Each of these columns serves a specific function. For example, Task can describe what needs to be done, while Status could track the progress of each task. Once your columns are set up, enter your to-do items into the Task column. List out each task clearly so anyone on your team can easily understand what needs to be done. Clarity is key to effective team collaboration. After you have your tasks listed, move to the People column to assign these tasks to yourself or other team members. This helps in clearly defining responsibilities and ensuring everyone knows what they need to tackle. Don't forget about deadlines. In the Due Date column, make sure to add due dates for each task. Deadlines play a crucial role in ensuring tasks are completed in a timely manner and help everyone stay on track. Now let's bring a little automation magic into play. Click on the Automate button located in the top right corner of your board. This is where the real power of monday.com shines, enabling you to streamline repetitive processes. Choose Create Custom Automation to get started. You'll see a list of triggers. Opt for one that suits your workflow, like when a new item is created, when status changes, or when date arrives. Each trigger makes your board more dynamic and responsive. Once you've chosen your trigger, it's time to select the actions you want to occur when the trigger activates. These actions could include options like Assign to, Set Due Date, or Move to Group. Tailor these actions to fit how you work best. Lastly, don't forget to fine-tune your automation by adding any necessary conditions, specifying values, and setting timeframes. This allows your automation to handle specific scenarios more effectively and ensures it aligns perfectly with your team's processes. And there you have it. You've just set up a simple yet efficient automated to-do list using monday.com. This setup not only saves time but also enhances productivity by reducing manual tracking. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.